AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss problems on scalar product part 2. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను తప్పక మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియచేయండి. Okay, let us go to the today's session, problems on scalar product part 2. Go to the first one. Find the component of A bar that is equals to 3 I cap plus 4 J cap along B bar that is equals to I cap plus J cap is. Here in this question they are asking that find the component of A along B bar. Let us go to the solution. Here given A bar is equals to 3I cap plus 4J cap and B bar is equals to I cap plus J cap. Now here in this question you have to find component of A along B bar is given by component of A bar along B bar is given by A bar dot B bar by modulus of B bar. So now we are substituting the values. A bar nothing but 3I cap plus 4J cap dot product of here dot product of B bar. B bar nothing but they given as I cap plus J cap by modulus of B bar. This is the B bar vector I cap plus J cap. Modulus of nothing but square root of I component 1 square and J component also 1 square. So that is because this is the dot product I dot I, J dot J is equals to 1. 3 into 1 3 plus 4 into 1 4 by root 1 plus 1 2. So that is equals to 7 by root 2. So the component of A bar along B bar is given by 7 by root 2. This is the final answer. Next we will go to the next question. 12th one. If A1 bar and A2 bar are two non-collinear unit vectors and if modulus of A bar plus modulus of A2 bar, A1 bar plus A2 bar is equals to root 3. Then the value of A1 minus A2, A1 bar minus A2 bar dot 2A1 bar plus A2 bar is. You have to calculate this product. Okay, now let us go to the solution. Here they given A1 and A2 are non-collinear unit vectors. So A1 is equals to A2 is equals to 1. A1 bar is equals to A2 bar is equals to 1 and A1 square plus A2 square plus 2A1 A2 cos theta. From this we are calculating the cos theta, value of cos theta. Now unit vector nothing but A1 is equal to 1, A2 is equals to 1. Substituting here A1 as 1 and A2 as 1. So that implies 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 1 into cos theta. 1 square nothing but 1, 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 into 1 into 1 2 cos theta. That is equals to here they given root 3. So that is equals to here 3. Squaring on both sides, here we are getting 3. Root 3, root 2 square cancel. Here we are getting 2 plus 2 cos theta is equals to 3. Then 2 cos theta is equals to 3 minus 2, that is equals to 1. So 2 cos theta is equal to 1. Then cos theta is equals to 1 by 2. Next we are doing value of a1 bar minus a2 bar dot product of 2a1 bar plus a2 bar is equals to. So now we are finding the value of this 2, dot product of these two. So 2a1 bar, a1 into a1, a1 square, minus here a1 bar into a2 bar. So first we are a1 bar into a2 bar. Now minus here 2, this is the dot product, a1 bar dot a2 bar. Here again 2 into a2 bar dot product of a1 bar minus a2 into a2 dot a2 whole square, that is equals to 2a1 bar square minus, this is, here we are getting a1 bar dot a2 bar, that is equals to a1 a2 cos theta minus a2 square. So here in this question they given a1 and a2 are two non-collinear unit vectors. So a1 is equals to 1, a2 is equals to 1. Substituting in the place of a1 and a2 1 minus 1 into cos theta, nothing but 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, a2 square nothing but 1 square. So 2 minus here 1 into 1, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, here a2 value, here a2 is equals to 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. So that is equals to, we are getting 1 minus 1 by 2, or taking LCM 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So this is the dot product of, finally we are writing the answer. Therefore a1 bar minus a2 bar dot product of a1 bar plus a2 bar is equals to 1 by 2. This is the final answer. Next we will go to the next question. Next question, if a bar and b bar are two unit vectors such that a bar plus 2 b bar and 5a bar minus 4 b bar are perpendicular to each other, then you have to find out the angle between a bar and b bar. So here in this question they given a bar and b bar are two unit vectors and they are perpendicular to each other. Then you have to find the angle between a bar and b bar. If two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then their dot product is equals to 0. So now let us go to the solution. Given a bar is equals to a bar plus 2b bar and b bar they given as 5a bar minus 4b bar. Now these two vectors are they given as perpendicular to each other. So their dot product is equals to 0. So a bar dot b bar is equals to a bar plus 2b bar dot product of 5a bar minus 4b bar. So that is equals to, here a bar square 5a bar square minus here 4a bar dot b bar plus 2 5s are 10 b bar dot a bar minus 4 2s are 8 b bar square. This entire thing is equals to 0. So that is equals to 0. Now 5a bar square minus this can be written as 4a bar b bar cos theta plus 10 b bar a bar cos theta minus 8 b bar square. Here in this question they given a bar and b bar are two unit vectors. So a bar is equals to 1 and b bar is also equal to 1. So that's why substituting in the place of a bar 1 and b bar 1. Then we get 5 into 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into cos theta plus 10 1 into cos theta minus 8 into 1 whole square is equal to 0. Then next this becomes 5 into 1 whole square 5 minus 4 cos theta plus 10 cos theta minus 8. Here 1 whole square 1. So this is equal to 0. So here 5 minus 8 minus 3, 10 cos theta minus 4 cos theta, 6 cos theta is equal to 0. 6 cos theta is equals to minus 3 will become plus 3. Cos theta is equals to 3 by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. That is equal to 1 by 2. If cos theta is equals to 1 by 2, cos theta is equals to 1 by 2 can be written as cos 60. So if cos theta is equal to cos 60, then theta is equal to 60 degrees. So this is the angle between the two vectors a bar and b bar. Theta is equals to 60 degrees. Therefore, theta is equals to 60 degrees. This is the final answer. Okay. Next, we will go to the next question. 14th one. If a bar is equals to 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap and b bar is equals to 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap, then the component of A along B is, here given a bar as 5 I cap plus minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap and b bar is equals to 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap. You have to find the component of A along B is, let us go to the solution. Here you have to calculate the component of A along B is A bar dot B bar by modulus of B bar. So that is equals to, given the vector A bar is 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap, dot product of 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap by modulus of B is root of I component 2 square and j component 1 square, k component also 2 square. So that is equals to I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is equals to 1. 5 2s are 10 minus 2 1s are 2 plus 3 2s are 6 by root of 4 plus 1 plus 4 9. So that is equals to 10 minus 2, here we are getting 10 minus 2 how much? 8. 8 plus 6 14. 14 by root 9. So this is equals to 14 by root 9 how much? 3. So this is the component of A along B is 14 by 3. This is the final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. 15th one. A motorboat is going in a river with velocity v bar is equals to 4 I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap meters per second. If the resisting force due to stream is F bar is equals to 5 I cap minus 10 j cap plus 6 k cap newtons, then the power of the motorboat is, here you have to calculate its power. They given f bar and v bar vectors. Okay, let us go to the solution. Given f bar is equals to 5 I cap minus 10 j cap plus 6 k cap and v bar is equals to 4 I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap. So now we are finding its power, nothing but f cap dot v bar, f bar dot v bar gives its power. So we are doing dot product of these two, that is 5 I cap minus 10 j cap plus 6 k cap dot product of 4 I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap. In dot product I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is equals to 1. So 5 fours 20 minus into minus plus 10 twos are 20 plus 6 ones are 6. So 20 plus 20 plus 6 how much? 20 plus 20 40. 40 plus 6 46. 46 watts. So power units watts. 46 watts. This is the final answer. So power is equals to, power of the motor boat is 46 watts. This is the final answer. Next we will go to the next question. 16th one. When a force 5 I cap plus 2 j cap newtons displaces a particle through 3 I cap minus 3 j cap meters, the power is 0.6 watts. Then time of action of the force is, here you have to calculate time of action of the force. They given force and displacement and power also they given. You have to calculate the time. Let us go to the solution. Here they given f bar is equals to 5 I cap plus 2 j cap and s bar they given as 3 I cap minus 3 j cap. So work done W is equals to f bar dot s bar, that is equals to 5 I cap plus 2 j cap dot product of 3 I cap minus 3 j cap. In dot product I dot I, j dot j is equals to 1. 5 3s are 15 minus 3 2s are 6. So that is equals to 9. 15 minus 6 9. Work done we are getting 9 units, and from this work done we are calculating the time of action. Next, power, they given power P is equals to 0.6 watts and work done we calculated 9 units. So power is equals to W by T. This is work done by time. So work done they given as 9, power they given as 0.6 watts. So 0.6 watts is equal to 9 by T. Taking cross multiplication, 0.6 into T is equals to 9. 9 is equals to, T is equals to 9 by 0.6. This can be done as 90 by 6. 6 ones, 6 15s. So T is equal to 15 seconds. So time of action T is equals to, final answer, 15 seconds. Okay. Here first we calculated work done by the formula F bar dot S bar. Work done we calculated 9 units and power they given as 0.6 watts and power is equals to work done by time. Rate of doing work is known as power. So work is equals to 9 units and power is equal to 0.6 watts. Substituting P and work done values and then taking cross multiplication, T is equals to 9 by 0.6. This can be done as decimal representation, 90 by 6, 6 1s are 6 15s are. See here, this is the S here denote the units for time. So time is equals to 15 seconds. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. 17th one. If the vectors a bar is equals to a I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap and b bar is equal to a I cap minus a j cap plus k cap are perpendicular to each other, then the positive value of a is, here you have to calculate the value of a in positive value. So that is, here the given a bar and b bar are two vectors. These are perpendicular to each other. If two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then the dot product is equals to 0. Now let us go to the solution. Given a bar is equals to a I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap and the given b bar is equals to a I cap minus a j cap plus k cap. Here these two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then its dot product is equal to 0. So now we are doing dot product of a bar and b bar, that is a I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap dot product of a I cap minus a j cap plus k cap. In dot product I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is equals to 1. So a into a square minus a minus 2 is equal to 0. Perpendicular vectors, these two vectors are perpendicular, so that's why their dot product is equal to 0. Now we are equating to 0. So that is equals to a square minus a minus 2 is equal to 0. We are splitting, this is the equation of ax square minus plus bx plus c. So now we are splitting this one, a square minus 2a can be written as minus 2a plus a minus 2 is equal to 0. Here taking a as a common, a of a minus 2 plus taking 1 as a common, 1 into a minus 2 is equal to 0. Here taking a minus 2 as common, a minus 2 of a plus 1 is equals to 0. So either a minus 2 is equal to 0 or a plus 1 is equals to 0. So a is equals to 2 or a is equals to minus 1. So the positive value of a is 2. Therefore, the answer is a is equals to 2. Okay, this is the final answer. Go to the next question, 18th one. The component of A along B is 4 times that of the component of B along A. Then A is to B is. Here you have to calculate the component of A along B is 4 times that of component of B along A the given. You have to calculate A is to B. So now let us go to the solution. The component of A along B is a bar dot b bar is equals to a bar dot b bar by modulus of b bar. This is the component of A along B is equals to. In this question they given that component of A along B is 4 times that of component of B along A. So component of B along A is a bar dot b bar by modulus of a bar. Here a bar dot b bar, here a bar dot b bar cancel each other, and the next here 1 by modulus of b bar is equals to 4 by modulus of a bar. So this can be written as, taking cross multiplication, a bar is equals to 4 into modulus of b bar. Now in this question, now we are calculating a bar is to b bar, that is a is to b. So modulus of a bar by b bar is equals to 4 by 1. So that implies a is to b is equals to 4 is to 1. 4 is to 1. This is the final answer. 4 is to 1. A is to B is equals to 4 is to 1. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Next question, 19th one. If A bar is equals to 9 I cap minus 7 J cap plus 5 K cap and B bar is equals to 3 I cap minus 2 J cap minus 6 K cap. You have to find the value of dot product of A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. Let us go to the solution. Given A bar is equals to, they given A bar as 9 I cap minus 7 J cap plus 5 K cap and B bar is equals to 3 I cap minus 2 J cap minus 6 K cap. Now first we are finding A bar plus B bar, that is equals to 9 plus 3, 12 I bar minus 7 minus 2 minus 9 J cap plus 5 minus 6 minus K cap. And now we are finding A bar minus B bar, that is equals to A bar nothing but 9 I cap minus 7 J cap plus 5 K cap minus of 3 B bar nothing but 3 I cap, here minus minus plus 2 J cap, here minus minus plus 6 K cap. So 9 minus 3, 6 I cap, minus 7 plus 2 minus 5 J cap, 5 plus 6 11 K cap. This is A bar plus B bar and this is A bar minus B bar. Now we are doing dot product of these two. Now A bar plus B bar dot product of A bar minus B bar, that is equals to 12 I cap minus 9 J cap minus K cap dot product of 6 I cap minus 5 J cap plus 11 K cap. Next, now we are doing dot product of A bar plus B bar dot product of A bar minus B bar, that is equals to I dot I and J dot J and K dot K is equals to 1. Now we are doing 12 I cap minus 9 J cap minus K cap dot product of 6 I cap minus 5 J cap plus 11 K cap. Here 12 6 are 72 minus minus into minus plus 9 5 are 45 and minus 11 into minus 1 minus 11. So that is equals to here 7 1 1 7 minus 11, that is equal to 106. This is A bar dot product of A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. So therefore final answer is dot product of A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar is equals to 106. Okay, this is the final answer. Next question, 12th one. A force F bar is equals to 6 I bar plus x j bar acting on a particle displaces it from a point 3, 4 and to the point B of 1, 1. If the work done is 3 units, then they find the value of x. Here they given F bar is equal to 6 I bar plus x j bar and the 2 points they given, one is the point A 3, 4, the other point is B 1, 1 and work done they given as 3 units. You have to find the value of x. So let us go to the solution. Given F bar is equals to 6 I cap plus x j cap, and now we are writing the position vectors from these 2 points. R1 bar is equals to, from the point A we can written as 3 I cap plus 4 j cap, and R2 from the point B we can written as I cap plus J cap. Now we are finding the work done. Work done is equals to F bar dot S bar. This can be written as F bar dot R2 bar minus R1 bar. Okay, that is equals to next W work done. W is equals to F bar dot R2 bar minus R1 bar. Substituting the values, F nothing but 6i plus xj cap dot product of R2 minus R1. R2 nothing but I cap plus j cap minus 3 I cap minus 4j cap. That is equals to work done they given as 3 units. So 3 units is equals to dot product of I dot I. Now first we will do this and then we will do that. X 6 I cap plus x j cap dot product of, here I minus 3i becomes minus 2i cap. Here minus 3j cap. That is equals to 6 2 ja 12 minus 12 dot product of I dot I equal to 1, j dot j equal to 1. So minus 12 minus 3 into x 3x. So this can be written as minus 2 will going this side becomes plus 12, that is equals to minus 3x, 12 plus 3 15. So this can be written as 3x is equal to 15, x is equals to 15 by minus 3, 3 ones 3 fives. So we are getting x is equals to minus 5. This is the value of x in force. Actually they given F bar is equal to 6 I bar plus x j bar. We are finding the value of x. So this x is equals to, therefore final answer x is equals to minus 5. This is the final answer. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.